Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of iPhone secrets. I'm about to reveal some seriously hidden tricks that even the most seasoned iPhone users might not know. Get ready to level up your iPhone game and become a true power user. 1. Secret back tap. It's like having a hidden button on your iPhone. You can customize double or triple taps on the back of your phone to trigger various actions, like taking screenshots, opening specific apps, or even controlling the volume. How to do it? Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch Back Tap. Choose your desired actions. 2. Hide photos and videos. Have private photos or videos you don't want others to see. You can easily hide them, and even lock the hidden album with Face ID or Touch ID for extra security. How to do it? Open the photo or video you want to hide. Tap the photo video. When the menu appears, select Hide. You can also hide the hidden album from view. To lock the hidden album, go to Settings, Photos, and then toggle on Use Face ID or Use Touch ID. 3. Hidden trackpad keyboard. Editing text on an iPhone can be fiddly, but this trick makes it super easy to move the cursor precisely. How to do it? Press and hold the spacebar on the keyboard, then move your finger to transform the keyboard into a trackpad. 4. Scan documents with Notes app. Forget about separate scanners. Your iPhone can scan high-quality documents directly into the Notes app. How to do it? Open the Notes app, create a new note, tap the camera icon, scan documents. 5. Measure anything with the Measure app. Your iPhone has a built-in virtual ruler that can measure real-world objects with surprising accuracy. How to do it? Open the Measure app, point your camera at the object you want to measure greater than, follow the on-screen instructions. 6. Create custom text shortcuts. Tired of typing the same phrases over and over? Create text shortcuts to save time and effort. How to do it? Settings, then General, Keyboard, Text Replacement, tap plus to add a new shortcut. Seven. Customize Control Center. Control Center is a quick way to access frequently used settings and features. Customize it by adding or removing controls to suit your needs. How to do it? Settings, Control Center, Customize Controls. 8. Use live text to copy text from images. This feature lets you copy text from images or photos, like copying a phone number from a business card or an address from a billboard. How to do it? Open a photo containing text greater than, tap and hold the text greater than, select Copy. 9. Set focus to minimize distractions. Focus helps you stay on task by blocking notifications and distracting apps. How to do it? Settings, Focus, choose your desired focus mode, e.g. Do Not Disturb, Sleep, or Personal. 10. Use one-handed mode. If you struggle to reach the top of the screen with one hand, this mode lowers the interface for easier access. How to do it? Settings, Accessibility, touch toggle on reachability. There you have it. 10 secret iPhone tricks that will turn you into an iPhone Pro. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your fellow iPhone enthusiasts. See you in the next video.